To replace the auger motor, always ensure your stove is shut off, cool, and unplugged. Then proceed by removing the back panel of the unit. Locate the auger motor near the center bottom of the unit and note the position of the set screw located on the lock collar. You will find it easier to service if the set screw is facing directly upright. You may have to plug the unit back in and press the start button to activate the motor. Then, once the set screw is facing upright, unplug the unit to stop the auger cycle. With the unit unplugged, disconnect the 2 wires from the auger motor. Loosen the shoulder bolt, located on the right-hand side of the auger motor assembly, and loosen the set screw on the lock collar. Gently slide the motor backwards and away from the auger shaft and tube. Then, line up the flat spot on the auger motor shaft so it's the same direction as the auger shaft set screw. Now, slide the new auger motor onto the auger shaft. Tighten the set screw back onto the mounting bracket with a hex key or Allen wrench. Then, tighten the shoulder bolt. Reconnect the 2 wires to the auger motor and reinstall the back panel. Always refer to the product manual that came with your replacement part for complete details on this procedure. If you have additional questions, contact the PelPro Consumer Care Department.